In this video I'm going to show you how to install the valve stem or valve seal or valve gasket into the engine head. We have 24 to go. I just put here on the floor. You're going to understand in a minute why, and you're going to install maybe a couple so you understand how to do it. So the function of this thing here in your engine is to avoid the gases that are into the inside the cylinder chamber, right? So you have the cylinder in here, and this explodes. So you have gasoline, air, and mixture, and compressors, and all that stuff. So your valve opens and closes, and all that stuff. So when it opens and closes, what stops the air from getting out and going up on your valve cover, right, or up on your engine head, which is this part here, where the camshaft goes, is this little thing here. So if you see this one, I already put a valve in there, and I have a box here full of them, and as you can see, they go inside the engine. They're all worked on and valve job done and all that stuff, right? So it goes in here and is very, very tight, so it can move up and down, right? But it doesn't let the gases come out of there. There is a tool that you can buy. It costs $50. It's an installation tool, but the installation tool is something like this. I got a 10mm like that, right? And I got a little extension. But this is what you look for. You look for something that goes on top of it, but it doesn't go all the way in. That's the first thing. And it's not too small. That's not gonna get on this area here, which is the metal area. Inside is some material. This is a performance one, so this material here is like a rubber. I don't know what material it is, to be honest. I'm gonna say some kind of rubber, but it's not. But this is what's going to touch this part here on the head, right? That little thing down there, and it's gonna be something like this, right? I put some already, as you see there, and I've done quite a few. So this is the best way I found. Get the magnet, put this thing as aligned as you can, put your finger there, push just a tiny bit. Now put the tool in there, align with the angle the best you can, and start hammering this much. Look at this, you barely move the hammer, and pay attention on the noise. It's gonna change the pitch. There you go. Can you see? So now I'm going around. There you go. You can hear like it's way more. Yeah. See, I missed just a little bit on this side. So once you do the there you go. When you hear the noise, which is going to be something like this, right? Here, for example, like, then it's ready. When you hear the noise, which is not quite, I don't know those words in English, so it's going to be kind of hard. Strident, well, whatever. Just pay attention on the noise. I'm gonna do one more. Put it in there. And once I hear the noise, I'm gonna move this like this as I hammer, so it gets all the sides. So pay attention to the noise. Now So I'm not making any more strength or anything, but it's getting louder. So when you get in there, you put the tool on the bottom and try to pull it up, and it's not coming up. See here, it doesn't even go underneath. Same thing on the other side, and same thing on top. Top actually goes a tiny bit. I can go one tiny bit further. And the reason why this is on the floor and not on my bench is because it is very noisy when I tap on top of this here to push this down. And my daughter's bedroom is right up here, and she's 3 months old. My wife came downstairs the other day and said, "Dude, what are you doing? It's so loud." So yeah, I just need to do, I did 2, 4, 5. There's another valve in here. So 24 minutes minus 5, 19. I have 19 to go. So yeah, I hope this helps you. I hope you're doing this right now and you watch this quick video and learn how to do it. I've done on the Eclipse, and now I'm doing on this car. Yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. Oh, I'm about to put this head together, goes on that block, and of course have parts and parts and parts. Camshaft is on the floor because I just took a bunch of stuff in here and put inside the block. Leave a little comment here if you think that this, or how you do it. If there is a better way to do it, just let me know. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a software engineer, so I learn, I read, I watch, and I do it. So that's my mojo. Freaking do it. Anyway, do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. There's a bunch of cool stuff in there, and I'll see you on the next video.